Welcome to Ivana Model's podcast. Today, we're diving into something truly profound: sacred sexuality. Sacred sexuality is more than just pleasure, it's a spiritual experience. It's about honoring yourself, your partner, and the energy that flows between you. In a world where sex is often rushed, transactional, or disconnected, sacred sexuality invites us to slow down, to feel, and to truly connect. Not just with our bodies, but with our souls. Think about it. When was the last time you truly felt present in an intimate moment? Without distraction, without pressure, just feeling, breathing, and experiencing? Sacred sexuality teaches us to embrace our desires without shame, to communicate openly, and to make love not just with the body, but with the heart and spirit. One of the most beautiful aspects of this practice is mindfulness. Imagine gazing into your partner's eyes, synchronizing your breath, and feeling their energy merge with yours. It's not just sex, it's a form of meditation, a sacred dance of energy and emotion. But sacred sexuality isn't just for couples. It starts with yourself, learning to love and honor your own body, your own pleasure, and your own needs. When you truly accept yourself, you create a space for deeper, more meaningful connections with others. So, how can you bring more sacredness into your intimacy? Start by slowing down. Engage in deep, open conversations about desires and boundaries. Use touch not just for stimulation, but for connection. And most importantly, approach sex with reverence, curiosity, and love. If this resonates with you, I invite you to explore it further, whether through Tantra, sensual meditation, or simply by shifting your mindset around intimacy. Thank you for joining me today. If you loved this episode, let's continue this journey together. Until next time, stay sensual, stay connected, and embrace the sacred within.